So good morning to all. So this is Silakumar from SNS College of Technology and Department of Computer Science Engineering. So now I am going to tell about programming languages in problem solving technique. So first thing, what is a programming languages? So programming language is a set of symbols and rules for instructing a computer to perform specific tasks. So the programmers have to follow all the specified rules before writing program using programming languages. So the user has communicate with the computer using languages with which it can understand. So program equal to algorithm plus data. So need for programming languages, it is used to organize the computations and we can solve different problems and to improve the efficiency of the programs. So we have type of programming languages available. So one is a low level or a machine language, and intermediate or assembly language, and high level or a programming languages. So in a computer language, in a low level language, it is a machine language. It is represented as a 1 and 0s create instruction. Example, binary language. In a middle level language, it is called as assembly language. It is used a mnemonics to create instruction, and assembly language. So high level languages, it is similar to human language, COBOL, Fortran, and the basics and the C++ and Java. So machine languages, first one. So machine language is the lowest level programming language. So it is these are the only language understood by the computers. It's also called as a low level language. So in machine languages, different instructions are found by taking different combinations of zeros and ones, and example code is 100111111 and 111001100. And advantages, so translation free, the program written in machine languages can be executed directly on computer. So in this case, any conversion process is not required. And advantage is high speed, the conversion time is saved, the execution of machine language program is extremely fast. Disadvantages in a machine language, it is hard to find error in a program and written in the machine language, and writing program in machine language is a time consuming process, and machine dependent according to architecture used for the computer differs and from each other. Assembly language, it to overcome these issues in a programming language and make the programming process easier. An assembly language is developed which is logically equivalent to machine language, but it easier for people to read and write and understand. So assembly language is a symbolic representation of machine languages, and assembly languages are symbolic programming language that uses symbolic to represent machine language instructions. So they are called low level language because they are also they are so closely related to the machines. An assembly language contains the same instruction as a machine language, but the instruction and variables have names instead of being just numbers. An assembly language consists of mnemonics that correspond to a unique machine instruction. Example, state add x comma y and subject x comma y. So assembler is the program which is translate assembly language instruction into a machine language, and it is easy to understand and use, and also it is easy to locate and correct errors. Disadvantage in assemblers, so machine independent and hard to learn and less efficient. So high level language, so high level language sorry high level language, so high level language contains English words and symbols. So it is specified rules are to be followed while writing program in a high level language. The interpreter or a compilers are used for converting these programs into a machine readable form. So in a high level language HSL, it is a programming language such as a C, Fortran or a Pascal that enables a programmer to write programs that are more or less independent of a particular type of computer. Such languages are considered high level because they are closer to human languages and further from machine languages. So ultimately, the programs written in a high level language so must be translated into machine language so by a compiler or interpreter. So translating a high level language or a machine language, the programs that translate high level language into machine language are called interpreter or compiler. So the interpreter translated the high level language program in line by line manner. The interpreter translates a high level language statement in a source program to machine code and executes and immediately before translating the next statement. So when an error is found, the execution of the program is halted and the error message is displayed on the screen. Example, Pascal or Python. So in the bottom of we have a source code, and the in between the interpreter and the output is intended. So compiler. So the compiler is a program which translates the source code written in a high level language into object code, so which is in a machine language program. So compiler reads the whole program so written in high level languages and translate into machine language. So if any error is found, it the display error message on the screen. Example C, C++, Java. So in a high level language it is a source code and a compiler and a object code and executor and output. So advantages means it is a readability and a machine independent and easy debugging. Disadvantages in a less efficient. So high level language is a language type and examples are in this. So there is a reference for the different program languages. Okay, so thank you.